What's up, y'all? Today is Vlogmas Day 6, and we are putting up our Christmas tree. You say Christmas tree? Christmas tree. Okay. Virtual cheers.
This is week 2.
Me too.
It was in high school, but they was eating shit.
What the hell? Dog shit?
No, like out the toilet.
Yeah. Whew. This tree is a little heavy. Let me put y'all right here.
God damn, man.
I can't even. I'm trying to get myself together. I can't even get myself together. This is the freaking. This tree was $75, and it is 9 feet. I haven't put up a tree in so long. When the last time you put up a Christmas tree? So 2 years ago?
Yeah.
This looks like it's gonna be huge.
I miss the old school trees
What old school trees?
where like you would literally just have each branch was its own tree.
That's not how these are. Oh, these?
They literally just put them together and just fold it down.
We bought lights and it's pre-lit.
Oh, better. Yeah, I missed them because it took longer to do it. So it was more of like a,
Okay, let me let this camera charge a little bit and then come back. Okay, these are all the parts we got. A, B, C, and D, and then this is the base. Let's put it together. What are you guys over there doing?
We're picking it.
Putting the tree together. Wow, Shaggy. Kaylee. All right. Let's put this together. I put that on my mother. On my hood. I look fly. I look too good. How much Devin Booker got now? That I plug into the wall.
It wouldn't make sense if we was going down there.
Yeah. We're gonna say this is nasty. There we go. Okay. Now, I don't think oh yeah, I gotta open it to find the next piece. Okay, cool. There it is. I'm gonna assume. Child.
What you want to do?
Yep. Please plug into here. Whatever the next plug is.
You want to put it together in the spot? Now that I think
Oh,
about
Jesus.
it. Yeah.
Yeah.
I just thought about it.
Okay, let's move it over there.
All right. What did we say?
Over, right over there. Woo! Well, this is what we have so far. This is with 2 parts. Kaylee, you be careful. Yeah, you be careful. Whoa. Whoa, big girl. Careful. You want to get down? Come on. There you go. Whoa. Whoa. So, it is hot in this house. And it's only on 73. So, we're moving the tree over by Le Patio. Huh?
So is this the last?
That's what I'm thinking.
I think so too.
Little ma'am. Yeah. No, no, no. Not in our mouths. Not in our mouths. Not in our mouths. That's it. We lit it up a little. That looks good.
Yeah, once it's all untwisted.
Yeah.
Yeah, this should be about as wide as this thing should be.
Okay. I definitely see what you were saying though with the gifts. But we'll probably just have to
I mean, it's going to probably do it
like move the couch. Yeah. Yeah, so now our problem is trying to figure out.
That looks terrible.
Yeah, that looks terrible. Trying to figure out like where the spacing of. So we have these. Oh, my bad, Cheryl. The spacing of the 2 couches, because this is what, like, there's the patio there, so we can't push it all the way there. The tree probably will look good right there, but we just have this couch right here too. I don't know yet.
Maybe the first plan.
Huh?
First plan right here. Because of how wide it is.
Because of how wide, so I feel like it's gonna stick out into the walkway. What's your idea, Kaylee? What's your idea? So that's something that we're gonna figure out. I'm not sure yet. Give me a second. So we decided on the thing. We're moving furniture. I need to move this up.
No.
Huh?
Move right now.
Did you move it this way, right?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's plugged up. LOL, Katie.
Director? Our living room, okay.
It is. Kaylee. She ain't found her toy. Your toys underneath the couch.
Kids. Oh yeah, I think this one.
You lost one, Kevin. It's a holiday tradition. That it is. Earn big time with Chase Freedom Unlimited. How do you cash back? Chase, make more of what's yours.
This is with the country.
There's never been a better time to get away with a great deal on the Hyundai you've always wanted. Plus America's best warranty and up to 3 years complimentary maintenance. It's your journey. Own every mile at the Hyundai Getaway Sales Event. Now's the time to get in and get away. Sign and drive a Hyundai Palisade with 0 down, 0 first month's payment, and 0 security deposit. Now, during the Hyundai Getaway Sales Event.
You can't buy great conversations or excuses to unplug. You can't buy possibilities. And you can't buy moments that matter. But you can invest in them. At T. Rowe Price, we believe your investment should work harder for the future you imagine. And that's where our strategic investing approach can help. T. Rowe Price, invest with confidence.
So this is the door. It's like right. Like it's over the door. Yeah. Dang.
I feel like this is probably the best setup for the tree. It is some quirks, but given what we got, I think I like it.
Okay. Dang.
Let me just.
Right there.
Yeah.
I'm thinking, and I know it's a little awkward, but what if we just push these two?
All the way together.
Yeah.
That could work too.
Like this. And it's just that awkward little piece right here.
Tell me what you thought about. It's not the worst.
Okay, I'm not mad at it. Then we can move the tree over. Okay, I'm not mad at it. It's only for a little bit.
One of these numbers here?
Yeah, we just put those there. Okay. I'm not upset at it. I'm going to check back in after we finish putting the tree up, and then we'll see.
Hey, come on, y'all. I need both of y'all to score. Between both teams, 34 points. What's up, everybody? Whoa, okay. Yeah, we gotta go to King Lane.
Do you see the Christmas tree?
We gotta go to Cathedral Square.
Do you see the tree? Say, wow.
Damn.
Wow.
Readers be trying to get shit on. I appreciate it.
You want to get this shit off when I need you to get
I feel like most of your stuff be lost within like a point or two.
Yeah.
Which is really hard.
Are you clapping? Our ceilings are high, don't you? We can return the other lights in there.
Yeah.
Can you pull that side for me? No. A lot of space in between here. There's a lot of flutter.
That's the 75.
And honestly, this is probably better because look at how the ceiling is the tallest right here. Look it over there.
I won't let my moderate to severe plaque psoriasis symptoms define me. Emerge as
What?
with Tremfya,
What you do?
most people
Let's see
suffer
what
from
we
their
can
skin and the majority stay clear at 5 years.
Serious allergic reactions may occur. Tremfya may increase your risk of infections and no need for Tremfya. Tell your doctor if you have any symptoms or symptoms, or if you had a vaccine influenza.
Emerge as you. Emerge Tremfya. Ask your doctor about Tremfya.
We didn't really go ornament shopping, so we have bought these because they didn't have much stuff. We bought these because they were cute. Let me show you. They're like felt. And then we bought this garland, but this is only 15 inches. It's not going to do us any good with that tree. And then we have bought this, forgetting that the tree is already pre-lit. So we can return this and get our little money back. But this is... And of course, he got to make something into a tech automated thing, sir. He done put the dang on Christmas lights on a smart plug. But yeah, this is the tree so far. I'm gonna do a little bit of fluffing and we're gonna do the rest once we get some ornaments. Yeah, do you like the tree? Oh, yeah, it's your first Christmas tree. Okay. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. And that's a wrap. Thanks for tuning in for Vlogmas Day 6. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's see. Comment down below. What's a good question for today? I already did favorite Christmas movie. Okay, yes, that's a good one. Comment down below what your favorite Christmas tradition is that you and your family do for the holidays. See y'all tomorrow. Bye.